Geesta Premium Crystal Glass Top Stovetop Espresso Moka Pot 6 Cup Coffee Maker 240 milliliters 8.5 ounces 6 cup Espresso cup equals 40 milliliters. Luxury glass. Slow down and savor the moment as you watch your favorite Moka Express coffee brew to perfection through the crystal clear glass Moka pot top and matching lid. Safe handle. Grip the heat-resistant glass with confidence. Unlike traditional, cheap plastic handles, the glass design is resistant to high temperatures and stays cool. Faster heating. Premium food-grade aluminum is non-toxic and rust-proof. The retro-shaped bottom heats up faster so that you can enjoy fresh hot coffee at any time. Convenient size. Once the smooth glass pot is full of steaming, perfectly brewed coffee, it's time to savor. Pour 5 demitasse, 2 ounces, cups and celebrate with friends. Perfect gift. With Geesta, it's easy to brew beauty into your day. This luxurious mocha pot is the perfect gift for friends, family, and anyone who loves flavorful Italian coffee. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.